there, anybody going to a baby shower anytime soon and you don't know what to bring, but you came up with this new hobby of crochet and you kind of want to use it to make some things for your friend's new baby? This is the video for you. Today, I'm going to be showing you different patterns that you can use at different skill levels that would be great to take to any baby shower, including ones that are good for different nursery themes so that you can match what the new parents-to-be are wanting to do for their baby. Before we get started, I just wanted to say welcome back to the channel. My name is Jessica Telford, Jess Telford here on YouTube, and I've been crocheting since I was 11 years old. I have a small crochet business that I run called Sugar and Spice Crochet, and I'm a mom of 2 boys, a toddler and one on the way. And it's kind of crazy over here, but we find time to crochet because it's what keeps us sane, and I'm going to show you how to. Let's get started. I'm going to start sharing the patterns that are going to be appropriate for any baby shower theme. These are kind of generic baby shower gifts, but they are really good. You can incorporate colors from their theme if you want to, or just keep it classic pink and blue depending on what they're having. The first pattern is called the Ribbed Baby Hat, and it's by Okie Girl Bling and Things. It is a really cute, really simple hat. This actually would be a really, really good one for beginners. They have several different sizes, so you can decide what size you want to make. And it's really cute. I really love it. And they are so good and basic that you can actually use whatever color you want, and you can fit a theme with this particular hat, and it's going to end up looking really cute. Something else I love that actually goes really well with the ribbed baby hats is the Easy Crochet Baby Booties by Sarah Maker. They're so cute. They do take a little bit more time to work up. I would say they're a beginner to intermediate pattern. I've heard it called confident beginner pattern, but it could be good for a beginner too. It's really simple, very cute. Just make sure you have a stitch marker or something like it, like a safety pin or a bobby pin, because you are going to be working in a round. But they're so cute. They go really well with the hats. They can be made in pretty much any color depending on the baby they're having or the nursery theme they're doing. And they just make a really, really good baby shower gift, especially because they're kind of like socks, kind of like shoes, but they're harder for the baby to slip off, you know? So they're fantastic. The next few basic patterns we're going to be going through are blankets. The first one is called the Crochet Picnic Gingham Blanket by Daisy Farm Crafts. It's so cute. It looks like a little checkered picnic blanket, so it could be made in whatever color. This actually, I guess, would be more appropriate for a theme if they're doing like a cottagecore or a park day theme. I don't know. I've seen it done, but it's very cute. I think it could also be used for various different things depending on what colors you choose, but it's very, very cute. The next blanket is actually a patchwork baby blanket made of granny squares, and this is actually my pattern. I don't have it listed anywhere, but it's very simple. You just make a bunch of granny squares in different colors and you put it in whatever way you want and do a little border, and bada bing, bada boom, there you go. You got a blanket. I've made this blanket many times. So if any of you are interested in a tutorial for this blanket, comment down below and I'll be sure to get that out for you guys. The next generic baby thing that could be made for any theme is a pacifier clip. This particular pattern is from Christina Ann Studios, and I love the design. I think it could be cute for a girl or a boy depending on what colors you choose and what clips you choose. But it's great. It's not too long, so you're not going to worry about any danger with the baby. But it's very cute to keep their pacifiers or toys or snack cups or whatever. I've seen it used for so many different things from falling onto the floor, which is a helpful thing for new parents. Trust me on this one. I don't have a very long list for things that are going to be for more theme, like theme specific type baby shower gifts, but something that I love to do is I love to make little lovey snugglers. It's kind of like a stuffed animal, but only the head is stuffed. The body is not stuffed. And so it's kind of like a blankie and a stuffed animal all in one. Mama Made Minis makes my favorite patterns for these. They have a ton of different animals and styles and choices, so you can make it fit pretty much any nursery theme that you can find. And so this one is going to be a little bit more of an intermediate pattern, but it is a great amigurumi pattern to start with. It is a little bit big, so it might seem a little bit daunting. So I would definitely say it's definitely more of an intermediate type pattern for the ones that I have done, but they're just so stinking cute. My son has one that I made for him that he just loves, and they make great baby shower gifts. Even though the baby won't be sleeping with it for a while, it'll still look cute in the nursery. Well, that's it for my baby shower crochet pattern suggestions. But if you'd like to continue hanging out here on YouTube with me, I have a few more of my videos here listed, other tutorials and other pattern suggestions and things like that. So be sure to click on those. And if you want to see more videos from me, just click subscribe and we can keep hanging out on YouTube together. Thanks. Bye.